Hello everyone, here I want to give you a quick update on air layering. If you can see, I found out there are some roots coming. It's kind of early, it's only past maybe 10 days. I'm gonna unwrap to see what's going on there. I don't want to rip off this foil because it's probably too early, but we want to see. Oh wow, oh my god. And if you notice, roots are not going inside this. We need to decide what we're gonna do with this. I think we need to plant it, right? Because we don't know how long these roots will survive without moisture, because if it's gonna get hot, they're gonna just dry out. And you see, this is kind of huge branch because we see two branches. Oh wow, isn't it amazing? Very, yeah. This is fast, very fast actually, because when you put in the water all the branches, you won't see such roots within 1 week. Let me cut it and plant this one. And actually, you know what? We need to probably unwrap others and see what's going on. Here, I don't see any root developing. No, that's interesting. Why that branch went in such fast results? Oh, I see here. I don't know if you can see small roots here. Oh, this is too small. This just showing up. You know what? I probably will move this fig under shadow again because they can just dry out. Let's see one more. I don't see any roots here. Maybe they develop inside, but I'm looking if anything outside of package. And last one. I don't see anything here. Oh, I see here. So apparently roots are coming not from place when I remove bark. This is, I don't know, you need to look at here. You see small root here? No, here, from this side. Under this branch, small root. So it developed root not when I have this soil and I didn't remove any bark. So yeah, this one needs to be moved in the shadow because that thing needs to be somehow exposed because it has leaves on it. We definitely need to move this guy from sun. I think we're done with unwrapping. I just cut this branch. I'm gonna open and see what's inside. You see, root developed not on exposed place, but on top, which is quite surprising for me. I didn't expect that, so I have to plant this deep. Basically, I needed to cut it here. There is a bud here coming up, and then I will remove some leaves here because it's too much. Old leaves can be removed for sure. Okay, I removed some leaves, not many actually. Mostly these leaves already too old. Here how it looks like. I didn't have pot, so I just planted in 1 gallon. Yeah, it's too big for this one, but I'm lazy. I don't like to keep repotting things, so I will put just in a big pot. So, and because I don't believe that those roots will support so many leaves, I'm gonna cover it with plastic. Here how it looks like. I do not make it tight here, so it has some air. That will be enough for this plant. I'm gonna place it in on my patio. I don't have direct sunlight. And let's see, I'm guessing at least 1 week it needs to be covered under plastic. And the good things about we are having cold front coming up. So today no sun, it's very nice, not really hot. At least 3-4 days will be quite cool. Hello everyone, today I'm gonna redo this air layering because roots coming not into our soil. So I will just move it. From other side, we have new roots. Now I wanna roots go to this package. Okay, thank you. I have little helper here. I think just one will be enough here because it's gonna be quite small. Oh, this is impressive results. It's just 1 week something, and we have roots already. Okay, I don't know. Here maybe we don't need. Okay, that's it for this branch. Here another branch. I see here root, but it's drying up. So we wanna fix this one too. See what's going on here. Oh, wow! Look at this! Look at this! We have new shoots coming, and we have roots here. So I guess we just wanna roots go to our potting mix. Ah, come on, come on. Looks like this hole is not really big enough. Come on. Okay, if some roots will go inside, that will be good. So this, because once I cut, I want to leave this shoot. I don't want to cut it. That was my mistake with another branch. This is quite impressive. Okay, that's it for this one. We have here roots too. So let's open up and see what's going on. This one is not so impressive. Yeah, but we anyways, okay, roots some here and on top. We'll probably focus on this part because we cannot accommodate both. Okay, just one strap tie will be enough. That's it for this one. Here is an update on my fig tree. I removed package and I see a lot of roots here, they're exposed. So I'm gonna put some soil here because I don't wanna lose these roots. You see, but I see some growth on this. Very good. Cool. I covered the roots, water it again, and I'm gonna put package plastic again on this one because we wanna have more roots. So when plants doesn't need to worry about losing water from leaves, it's gonna work more towards roots rather than trying to survive. Hello, quick update on my fig tree. I just removed a package. I see how many roots I'm gonna cut and plant it, ready to go. And I had another one here. Roots just started to grow, but I cut it, will plant it too. Not all of them are equal, you see, it's not many roots, but it will be enough for plants to survive. Here, I'm gonna pot them. Here is an update on this fig tree. It looks wet because it was covered with plastic. And again, even I cover these roots, again see these roots. I don't know why these roots keep going up instead of going down. But you see, I can see roots here. I won't be covering this with plastic anymore. And this is most exciting part, having new growth. If you watch it so far, I'm glad you do. I have over 30 years of experience of gardening, and I like to learn something new. So in this video series of propagating fig trees, I learned how to propagate it. I never done it before. I just will buy from store and put it on the ground. But back then, like 5 years ago, all these trees were quite cheap compared with the way you can find right now. It's quite expensive. So I started to learn how to propagate trees. So there are, what I learned so far, like small tweaks will not do much. They are too small, so you need to start with like pencil size. That's true for fig trees. Pencil size is the best thickness of branch. If you can't find it, sometimes when I look it on my fig tree, it's not even close to pencil size, and temperature is matter. It's not about what time what is the like month of the year. Because here in Florida, if you start to propagate fig tree in September, you will have great success. But if you start in September somewhere else, you can fail miserably. So temperatures matters, and of course, whatever sun insolation you have. Now, this is like two big components: sun and temperature. It's difficult to say. If you will go and try to find out what is the best temperature for fig tree, you probably won't find it. Like, what is it? Night temperature, supposed to be like minimum night temperature. What is like a minimum temperature during daytime? But here in Central Florida, I found out in October, fig trees basically going to slow down. You can still have roots, but it takes like twice longer than I would do it in summertime because temperature is high and they have this hormone in their tree. That's the reason it's produce roots much faster than compared like to in October. And I would have some actually. I did even air layering in December, so I will have that video. We'll see how long it's gonna take to produce roots because my first fig tree I did air layering in September. It was good. Then I did in October. It still was okay. Like producing root within 4-6 weeks, it's still good results actually. Some people say that's what they have, like average, but you can have it faster. And then I did it in December when basically my fig trees, they are not dormant by the way, no, but they barely grow. So it looks like they they have like a little green leaves. It looks like they're waiting when it's get too much warmer because it's already almost like second month. It's too cold. Basically, it's like 15 degrees Celsius and Fahrenheit is like between 60 and 70, which is not enough even if you have sun. So thanks for watching and leave me a comment below what exactly you're interested about fig trees. Do you grow them? And because I have so much experience in growing different things, for me growing things, propagating so natural, I don't even think what to do, and I have basically almost like 90% of percentage of success. It's not like I'm bragging. No, because I have 30 years of experience. That's it. The more you do something, the better you're getting it. If you failed with something, that's not because you just have little skill. You never practice it. The more you practice, the better you earn it. That's just simple. Yes, it is. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you are still not subscribed.